channel AP's World, Abhishek Patil's World, and today I'm going to bring you my another vlog. So बारिश का मौसम चल रहा है तो एक अच्छे से रिसोर्ट पे एक अच्छा ब्लॉग तो बनता है. So guys, we have planned this journey on the occasion of my birthday, and basically this is no surprise because this time my wife and I both have planned this journey. So this resort is located next to one of the very famous points in Mahabaleshwar, which is Skates Point. So if you ever happen to be in Mahabaleshwar, guys, do visit this point as it has got a very beautiful, mesmerizing, stunning nature view. Okay, so guys, please watch my video till the end as I will be providing you all the necessary details. So without wasting much time, let's go and let's explore that resort. I am pretty much excited. Okay, let's go. Finally guys, we have reached our destination, Brightland Resort and Spa. Okay guys, and this is the reception section, I think. Let's do the checking formalities. Chi, basa. Buggy ride. Ah, chan. My son has already started enjoying the ambience. Welcome drinks. Thank you. See? No, I'm gonna see. What to? Hello guys, so let's explore our room. I'm pretty much excited about it.
Say hi, Dash.
So let's go.
Hi.
So, Chichi, come on. Oh. So it seems the room has already been decorated, huh?
Yes,
For
it's a
my
surprise
birthday.
for you.
This is definitely a surprise for me. I didn't expect this.
Happy
Okay.
birthday.
It's very good. Thank you, wife, for this beautiful arrangement.
Yeah.
Okay, so cake is also here.
Yes.
It seems the celebration is going to be in full swing, huh?
Yes.
Good. Nice. Very nice. Oh, the room is very spacious.
And the best part is there are curtains as well.
Oh, is it? Okay, let me just open it. Okay.
Curtains?
Oh. This is very beautiful.
We have a very good view.
Wow.
Yeah.
Let's see outside.
Yes.
Okay. This seems to be a big terrace.
Yeah, we have a very good sit out at the well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. This is very beautiful. Okay. So here we are. I think that lake view is also available here.
Okay, let me see. Yeah.
This is very beautiful. These are all maple sweets, right?
Yes,
Okay.
these are all maple.
So let's explore some other features of this
Room, yes.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so
Yeah, we have something
okay,
outdoor
let's
as
see.
well.
Let's see their closet.
Okay, they have already.
placed our luggage, it seems.
Yes, we have a luggage here.
Nice, na?
Yes, they
Okay,
have
lock up
bathroom and
facility,
all.
I think it is good.
Yeah.
Okay. Again, this seems very spacious.
Hi.
Very beautiful, right?
Yes,
Wow.
this is the main part.
Very beautifully maintained.
Yeah.
And this is jacuzzi, right?
No, it's outdoor bathtub.
Okay. Okay, outdoor bathtub.
Yeah.
Okay, this is very nice. The room is so beautiful that you won't feel like going outside, right?
Yeah, actually, I was about to say the
You
same
can
thing.
easily spend all your, the entire 24 hours sitting in room.
Yeah.
You won't feel bored. You won't get bored at all.
It's totally cozy as well.
That's good. That's very, very, very good.
Okay, can you
Okay.
open it for us, Darsh? It's a bit.
Okay. So thank you, Ifi, for this beautiful arrangement. I didn't know that this was, arranged in such a beautiful manner. I'm really pleased,
Thank you.
with all the arrangements that have been made over here.
Thank
Very
you.
nice. And
Yeah,
thank you, Brightline, for this.
We have also given this. Happy birthday. फुकायचं पहिले to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. टाळ्या वाजवा, yay. Yay.
Thank you. Let's see their game section. This is their play zone. Okay, they also have library section, it seems. So let's explore their library section. I can see different types of books. Okay, so as you can see, they have spiritual and science fiction section, knowledge, information, tours and travels, lot of variety, huh? है ना? Motu, lot of variety is there. I mean, so definitely you can pass your time well if you are a voracious reader.
True. They have a good set of magazines as well.
Correct. Nice, yeah, nicely maintained. I mean, all the amenities over here, are very beautifully.
Basically, it's a kind of theatre type.
Nice, very nice, very beautiful.
See, they have whole day planned this way.
Okay.
From 7:30 a.m. to late night 11:30 a.m.
Okay, this
is
is
the
their
planning
like
for Thursday.
okay, everyday activity.
Yeah.
On that specific day, what all activities would be happening, right? Okay. Switchboard. See switchboard here? Okay, this is switchboard. Nice. Yeah, Karen. This is Titi. This is Karen. People are busy enjoying. हे गाडी काय रे? हे बघ गाडी बसा बसा गाडीत बसा. Nicely maintained, I mean. Very nice. This is for children below 3 years. Very good. Okay guys, so let's see their gym. This is their gymnasium section. Okay, looks good from outside at least. Okay, let's see what all equipments they have got. Okay, fine. So दिख तो रहे काफी weights लगे हुए यहाँ पे. Okay, nice. अच्छा, max I can see. I think it is 40 pound का क्या? What? Okay, so this is for lat pull down,
बैक एक्सरसाइज के लिए ये है, दिस इज आई थिंक बाइसेप कर्ल्स. ओके, दिस इज फॉर स्क्वाट एंड चेस्ट प्रेस वगैरह भी आप कर सकते हैं. ये लेग्स इक्विपमेंट है. दिस इज चेस्ट प्रेस. ओके, तो लगभग काफ़ी सारे ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आर देयर. So those who are fitness freak, I think this can be a very good option for them, right? Because usually resorts don't have this kind of equipments. Good. Okay, let me turn on the lights. Okay, so this is their cardio section. Good, nice. Okay guys, this is their swimming pool. So time for some swimming activity. Okay. Let's see their disc section. I mean, it starts around 9:30 p.m. every day. So I'm not sure like how much crowd will be there today, since today is weekday. So anyway, let's see the place. Okay. Okay guys, time for breakfast. Let's check their cafeteria area.
It's 308, no?
Okay, Motu, so what are you having for the breakfast?
I've get started. I've brought him crispy dosa, and
Okay.
my omelette is coming.
Okay, you have started with non-veg section, it seems.
Yes, my omelette is still yet to come.
Okay.
I've given him some veg.
Okay. Hi,
Like
Chichi.
eating.
Nice ambience, na?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Okay. So this looks like a lounge area. I think from here you can do sightseeing, right?
Yeah, that view I think that is Doom Dharan, right?
Okay, not sure, maybe. Yeah, but definitely. Okay, let's move closer. Okay.
Yeah.
And I think that is the Kate's Point. So definitely that must be Dhumdaran.
Maybe just zoom a bit. The Kate's Point as well.
Okay. The climate is very nice today.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's move a bit closer. Okay, so I think yes, this is the Kate's Point, guys, which I was talking about initially. Okay, you can see people here. Okay. Hello. Okay, so let's show them, their garden area. So this is their garden area.
Hi, Darsh. Hi.
Big garden, है ना? So
Yeah,
if you want to
it's-
organize any functions, any parties, I think this is sufficient.
Yeah.
Right?
This is sufficient for almost
People,
no 100 and
Starting
100.
buffet and
100. Yeah.
You can show them view from here. Very beautiful, right?
These are tulip cottages. This is the view.
And these are different types of cottages. Okay, and I think this is lawn tennis section. So I think if they convert it to turf, I think it can be used as a multi-purpose section. You can have box cricket, football, something like that. Nice, good.
Hello guys, so I am back to Pune. So I would quickly like to summarize about this resort. This resort is located in Mahabaleshwar, as stated earlier, next to very famous point, which is Gates Point. So on reaching this resort, we received a warm welcome. I mean, they greeted us very well. So after doing the check-in formalities, we were taken to our suite. So basically, if I have to talk about the rooms, they have got a variety of rooms. So you can get the information, through any online portal, or you can directly inquire, at their resort, and you can get the necessary information. So I will say that all the rooms over here are nicely maintained. They are very clean, and they have got a very beautiful, mesmerizing nature view. So you can book the rooms as per your convenience, your budget, your occasion. That is applicable for you. So that was about the room. And regarding the hospitality and services, we are very much happy, because this is one such resort where you will hardly find any point to complain about. This resort ensures that all your needs are being taken care of. So that was about hospitality and service. And regarding the food, I will say that the food also is very good. There is again, this resort has a multi-cuisine restaurant which offers you a different, variety of food, different delicacies. So you can enjoy your food as well. And also they offer you, I think, in-room dining services, which I think is a very good part, about this resort. So this was regarding the food. And if I have to talk about my overall experience, I think we really enjoyed our stay. This is one of our best journeys that we planned, and we are really happy with the overall experience that we had with this resort. Very beautiful, and definitely we are looking forward to coming here again, maybe with our friends or relatives. So let's see. So guys, if you are looking for a perfect getaway, I think this is one of the best places you can think of visiting, and definitely they won't let you down. So guys, that was about my vlog. So hope you enjoyed it, and if you really have, then do like, share and subscribe my channel. So stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care, bye bye, and see you soon. Bye.